Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PIP token from Getpipcom. Now this token just got listed on a central exchange today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed today. Today is March 7th. So this token is being listed today on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PIP, and then simply just buy the token. Now the cool thing about Hotbit is that you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY on a lot of different tokens on Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. It gets listed today, March 7th at 10 a.m. UTC time. Ticker symbol PIP. This is on the Solana blockchain. You can find their Solana Explorer in the announcement page on Hotbit. It says there is 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and it looks like there is a fixed supply right now according to their Solana scan here of 99,972,636 tokens. So it looks like it's probably a deflationary token, and maybe they burnt a little bit of tokens so far. So they have a Discord on here, basically just at Pip. Their Twitter is Getpipcom. They have an official webpage, Getpip.com. They also have a white paper listed here. So Pip is the payment layer of Web3 that provides innovative solutions for the growing ecosystem of crypto, with a focus on micropayments. Pip's infrastructure is designed to make it easy for people to use crypto in their daily lives. So that is Pip in a nutshell. Pip is the payment layer of Web3 that provides innovative solutions with a focus on micropayments. Pip's infrastructure, okay, it kind of just repeated itself there. Funded by top-tier companies like Coinbase, Galaxy Digital, and CMS, and incubated by Binance Labs, launched in February 2022, Pip currently offers 4 payment services: social payments, Web3 identity, payment buttons, and payment links. All of Pip's products are built on cryptocurrency's open and permissionless nature, allowing anyone to send and receive money globally without limitations. So they have social payments. So Pip browser extension allows for payments on social networks such as Twitter, Reddit, Twitch, Discord, and GitHub, as well as anywhere on the internet through Pip tags. The Pip tag system utilizes a user-friendly version of a cryptocurrency address, which can be used to replace the long wallet address when sending and receiving funds on any website or social media platform. This makes it easy for users to send and receive payments on these platforms without having to deal with long and complex addresses. So the no code button, the simple and easy to use crypto payment button can be created and embedded into any website in less than a minute. This allows easy integration of crypto payments into a website or online store. The Pip button is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to accept cryptocurrency payments on their website. Also, Web3 identity Pip.me is a customizable link in bio designed for crypto payments. It's just like a DNS. This allows users to create a simple and easy-to-use link that they can share on social media platforms. So kind of like DNS, if you don't know, is that like domain name service, where you can have like an Ethereum address, which is like bob.eth, and you could do the same thing with a whole bunch of different chains and things like that. So this link can be used to receive crypto payments in a variety of currencies. This feature is particularly useful for influencers and content creators who want to monetize their work. Now, payment links. Pip payment links allows users to send payments through any form of communication, such as email or text messages. This feature allows for easy and convenient payment between users, regardless of location. Payment links are particularly useful for businesses that want to provide a seamless payment experience for their customers. And lastly, Pip Invoice. Pip Invoice offers a simple and secure way to issue a crypto-supported invoice. With this product, anyone can create an invoice and share it via email, messenger, or even simple URL for personal or business purposes. It provides a dashboard that enables invoice issuers to manage all invoices and check the details in a few clicks. Overall, Pip's mission is to make cryptocurrency payments as easy and convenient as possible for anyone on the internet. We aim to bridge the gap between the traditional Web 2 and the decentralized Web 3 by providing user-friendly products that allow anyone to send, receive, and earn digital currencies on popular websites and platforms. So they have the social payments, the Pip extension, the Pip.me, the Web3 link in bio, payment button, no-code crypto payments, payment links, easy crypto payments, and invoice, create and share invoices in a minute. So you can read all about each one of these features in depth, more on their white paper. Now the Pip token, we pretty much went over, the tokenomics for that, but it's a utility token used basically for a lot of these features here. Now the tokenomics, token allocation is on here. Now it says it is split up between 69% community, 15% strategic investors, 15% team, and 1% advisors. It's a governance token as well. Reward farming, it's got staking rewards, it's got a vesting period. You can check all this out at Getpipcom, and you can find this token newly listed on a central exchange called Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Hit that notification button if you want to know exactly when I post new token videos, so you can stay, really up to date and get that notification. Hit that bell, turn notifications on. Leave a comment, like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and check out all the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.